Alright, so welcome to my YouTube video, and I have a very good news for all the people who are watching this video and have signed up using my referral link of the grass. So if you are watching this video, that means you are eligible for that happiness. So I am just giving a giveaway to all the people who have signed up using my grass link. So why I have come up to this decision, let me explain you very clearly. So as you can see on my dashboard, I have more than 1500 referrals of the grass, which is huge. And if you go to the reward section, you can see I have mined around 7 million grass points, which is huge. So all these things are happened just because of you people. When I have started building and creating these videos related to grass, I was standing as 300 or 200 subscribers only, and today I have more than 2.8k subscribers, and that is all possible because of you. Because the first video which I have created, how to sell grass points, it went viral and I got around 48k views, which is insane, and I got more than 1000 subscribers just because of the grass. So as I have been roaming around the comment section of my videos, I've seen we can't get 1 million without referrals. Like, you don't collect these referrals, and full public I have touched with Epoch Fun still get 140k only without referrals in 5 months. So this is a real pain. I have seen lots of comment into the videos of the related to grass, like people are complaining that you have more than 5 to 8 or million points of the grass, but we are having just 50k or 60k points. That is unfair. So they are basically unhappy to see my points. But I have very good news for all the people. Don't be disappointed. What I am doing is, you made me a 2.8k subscriber YouTube channel, then I will give something back to you as a community. So what I am doing is, let's first go to the reward section and let's calculate what I am getting as a reward points. So these are around 7 million points, and I am expecting by the end of this airdrop campaign, I will be having 10 million grass points. And let's go to the Wells market. If I go to the Wells market, I can see 1 million points are at $880. So if I have 10 million, 11 million points, that will be worth of $10,000. That will be worth of $10,000. And what I am doing is, you made me this, then I will give all the money, all the tokens which I am getting through grass, I will give it back to you. So how it will work is, simply what you have to do to get the giveaway, to get the rewards what I am getting, to get the share of that, what you have to do is just paste your Solana wallet address to the comment section of this video. Just paste the Solana wallet address to the comment section of this video. Subscribe the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and just hit the like button so that I can feel happy and I can give you all the rewards what I am getting at the time of TG, at the time of token launch. So simply subscribe the channel, like this video, and just comment your Solana wallet address. So all the people who are commenting their Solana wallet address to this video, I will give all the tokens. I will distribute all the tokens to all those people who are pasting their Solana wallet address to this video. So that's the complete giveaway guide that I am sharing with you. Just do it, and I will transfer all the tokens if I will receive through the grass airdrop. So that's all about the grass giveaway, and I hope that you will be posting your Solana wallet address, and I hope you will get very handsome reward once I will get. So I will not take any money from grass. Whatever I will receive, I will give it back to the community, all the money. See you into the comment section. Thank you.